Dalton Gang Outdoors here. We're gonna go out here and check out this tornado. We got a tornado on the ground west of town here. So I figured I'd throw the GoPro camera on the dash, go out here and check out this tornado. See if I can't get some footage of it or something like that. Dalton Gang Outdoors. We're in a motorcade style with storm chasers behind us. Got a confirmed tornado on the ground on Highway 115 north of Cache. What's behind us, Donnie? That looks dangerous right here.
Look at this.
Look up, look on top of us, bro.
Oh yeah. That's straight south of us. Oh yeah. It's right on top of us. Look straight above us. You can see that. Beautiful. It is running pretty good fucking north though.